Today's error code is 160. This will typically occur when you put the cassette in and try to prime the unit, and then it comes up with a failure saying the FMS, which stands for Fluidic Management System, is not working properly. The recommended thing to do is to eject the cassette and then put it back in again. It will try to reprime itself, and there we have it again. So typically what happens is that the screen has some debris on it, so we'll use a rag and we'll wipe off this window here, reinsert the cassette. It is now using its laser, and we're still seeing that. Let's see what else it could be. Let me check the condition of our surfaces here. These are the two reflective surfaces that the laser beam hits in order to find the deflection, so it knows how much vacuum or how much pressure. And if those are dirty, or it's typically the screen, let me make sure I wipe this off well enough here. This little glass window will sometimes get debris on it from water splattering. And let's see if that works. Everything's connected. Prime FMS has come up. So we're now pulling fluid through the system, and everything is now operational. So error code 160 occurs when that little glass window is dirty. So very simple to fix. Thank you for watching. Come back and see some more videos.